Hello everyone, welcome to the new age of AI. There was a time when the world order was being decided by the industrial needs. Then there came a time when the world order was being decided by the energy security. Now is the time for AI. Now the world order is being shaped by the policies of AI. ठीक, every country wants to participate in the future of the globe. And on the same lines, this PEX Silica initiative has been taken by US. Now what is this PEX Silica? क्यों इस PEX Silica initiative को लेने की स्टार्ट करने की जरूरत पड़ी? ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले अगर हम PEX Silica की बात करते हैं, now why there was a need? Now as of today, the world is moving towards AI. The economies are moving towards AI. They are shifting towards AI. Every work in the world is shifting towards AI. तो AI के लिए आपको चाहिए क्या? AI के लिए चाहिए आपको सुपर कंप्यूटर्स, आपको चाहिए चिप्स, है ना? सो सेमीकंडक्टर्स. नाउ एट प्रेजेंट इन द वर्ल्ड maximum majority of more than 90% of the semiconductors which are required for the AI system, these are being created by one single country, that is Taiwan. So it is creating a bottleneck. America, उसको क्या लग रहा है that if Taiwan is the only supplier of these high value chips and high value semiconductors, that in case if China is taking any step, then it can create a bottleneck for America and the entire world economy, and it can disrupt the supply chain for these semiconductors. So to make sure that there is no future disruption in the supply chain of the semiconductors, this PEX Silica initiative has been started by US. तो ये PEX Silica जो initiative है, इसका main theme क्या है? What US wants to do? US चाहता है that the supply chain should not be concentrated in one single country, that is Taiwan. US wants that there must be diversification of the extraction processes, manufacturing processes. So for that, the US has started this initiative by including various countries. India has recently become the member of this PEX Silica initiative, and the other countries who are the member of this PEX Silica initiative, these are United States, Japan, South Korea, Australia, United Kingdom, Singapore, Israel, UAE, Netherlands, Greece, Qatar. So UAE, Qatar, these countries has also been included in this initiative. Why? Because we also need the energy security. ठीक, तो उन सब चीजों के लिए these many countries have become the partners, and now US is willing, what US is willing to do. तो यहाँ पे there are 4 pillars of this Silicon Alliance or PEX Silica. ठीक, तो ये 4 pillars हैं क्या? Mainly this alliance is focusing on the minerals, critical minerals. ठीक, so in these 4 pillars, the first one is mining and refining, second one is semiconductor fabrication, third one is compute infrastructure, then the fourth one is AI deployment and governance. So these are 4 pillars on the basis of which this PEX Silica is going to function. ठीक है, so under the very first, mining and refining, the coordination, the member countries are going to coordinate and they will help each other to mine those critical minerals, and after mining those critical minerals, they will be helping each other to build the manufacturing capacities and to build the R&D capacities in each country. Clear? Now the primary strategies to achieve this diversification and control, तो क्या आपकी यहाँ पे main initiatives लिए जाएंगे? Reshoring. What is the reshoring? Reshoring means US will make sure that the critical manufacturing, the semiconductor manufacturing is coming back to US and US friendly countries. That is called reshoring. कि सिर्फ ताइवान नहीं, ताइवान से बाहर निकल के वो जो US है और US की फ्रेंडली कंट्रीज है, वहां पे वो सारी माइनिंग एंड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग जो है हब्स क्रिएट किए जाएं. फ्रेंडशोरिंग, it involves distribution of manufacturing and processing capabilities. Now India, at present, India don't have that manufacturing capacity or this processing capacity. So these countries, they are going to help the member nations to develop their capacities, to build their capacity. They are going to invest into the countries. ठीक? Then export control, the main thing. This PEX Silica, it wants to control this mineral economy. They wants to control the manufacturing, the supply chain of the semiconductors. So what they are going to make sure that whatever manufacturing capacities they are going to build, These capacities should not be expanded to non-friendly nations. ठीक है, so सारी की सारी जो supply chain है, this country wants to capture that supply chain. ठीक, now India's benefits, what India can gain from becoming the member of PEC Silica. आज तक की जो इंडिया की पॉलिसी है वो न्यूट्रल रहने की पॉलिसी है. ठीक है, आपने देखा होगा कभी भी इंडिया जो है वो किसी भी एक तरफा जो वर्ल्ड ऑर्डर है उसमें पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करता. बट नाउ इंडिया हैज स्टार्टेड पार्टिसिपेटिंग एंड इंडिया हैज बिकम द मेंबर ऑफ दिस PEC Silica. सबसे पहली चीज व्हाई? बिकॉज एट प्रेजेंट इंडिया इज मूविंग टूवर्ड्स ग्रीन एनर्जी. हमारे एम्स हैं, ठीक है, हमारे एम है, उन एम्स को फुलफिल करने के लिए वी आर मूविंग टूवर्ड्स दैट डायरेक्शन. ठीक है, एट प्रेजेंट अगर हम बात करें सेमीकंडक्टर्स की, 90% ऑफ द सेमीकंडक्टर्स इंडिया इज इंपोर्टिंग टू फुलफिल आवर लोकल नीड्स. तो अगर एक तरफ हम नेट जीरो इकोनॉमी बनना चाहते, ठीक है, एंड सेकेंड ऑन अनदर साइड वी आर इंपोर्टिंग द सेमीकंडक्टर्स, ठीक है, टू यूज देम इनटू आवर EV जो व्हीकल्स हैं, डिफेंस सिस्टम एंड अदर थिंग्स. सो हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल? तो उसके लिए सबसे पहले चाहिए क्या हमें? वी नीड टू डेवलप आर कैपेसिटीज, आर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कैपेसिटीज, आर माइनिंग कैपेसिटीज. सो हाउ इंडिया कैन गेट द बेनिफिट फ्रॉम बिकमिंग द मेंबर ऑफ दिस PEC Silica? सबसे पहली बात तो आउटपुट टारगेट्स. हमारा टारगेट क्या है? व्हाट वी वांट टू अचीव? वी वांट टू अचीव $100 billion of manufacturing capacities for the semiconductor. So once India become the PEC Silica member, the foreign investors, they would be investing into India, they would be sharing their technology with India, and India would be able to achieve the target of $100 billion worth semiconductor manufacturing. The second one, access to the advanced tools. As I said, इंडिया के पास आज की डेट में वो एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं है. सो वंस इंडिया इज बिकमिंग द मेंबर, दैट टेक्नोलॉजी वुड बी शेयर्ड विद इंडिया. एंड द थर्ड वन इज सॉवरेन AI डेवलपमेंट. नाउ एट प्रेजेंट अभी आपने रिसेंटली देखा होगा क्या, इंडिया ने AI समिट जो है वो कंडक्ट किया, और उस AI समिट में हम बहुत सारे इवेंट्स हुए. ठीक है, और हमने एक चीज ये भी देखी दैट इंडिया हैज डेवलप्ड द लैंग्वेज मॉडल्स. ठीक है, आज की डेट में अगर हम फार्मिंग की बात करें, एग्रीकल्चर की बात करें, या किसी भी सेक्टर की बात करें, तो व्हाट गवर्नमेंट इज ट्राइंग टू डू? गवर्नमेंट इज ट्राइंग टू डिसेमिनेट द इंफॉर्मेशन, ठीक है, इन द लोकल लैंग्वेजेस. ठीक, तो वो सारी चीजें कैसे पॉसिबल हैं? इफ वी आर एबल टू डेवलप दोज काइंड ऑफ infrastructures, if we are able to develop those kind of softwares. So with the help of becoming the member of this PEC Silica, we can achieve all those things. ठीक, now what steps has been taken by India? तो ये तो PEC Silica तो अब आया है ना, इससे पहले क्या इंडिया ने कोई ऐसे स्टेप्स लिए थे कि जिससे वो अपनी मिनरल जो सिक्योरिटी है उसको इंश्योर कर पाए, या कोई ऐसा स्टेप लिया गया था जिससे कि सेमीकंडक्टर्स की जो फॉर्मेशन है, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग है, उसको बढ़ावा मिल सके? सो फ्रॉम द लास्ट ईयर 2025 इंडिया हैज स्टार्टेड मूविंग इन दैट डायरेक्शन. ठीक है, इंडिया हैज स्टार्टेड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग or establishing the infrastructure to build or to manufacture semiconductors in the local ecosystem. Now the very first step, National Critical Mineral Mission. This National Critical Mineral Mission, it was launched in the year 2025, and as per this mission we are focusing on 30 critical minerals. And these are the minerals which are of industrial use, which will be used by the defense services, which will be used by telecommunication, space, everywhere these minerals are required. So under this mission we are trying to mine those minerals, we are trying to extract those minerals, we are trying to build the capabilities around those 30 minerals. Then lithium deposits. Recently India has found huge lithium deposits, but right now till this point of time we are unable to extract those lithium deposits. Why? Again, due to lack of technology, yeah, due to the low quality of those deposits. ठीक है, so but India has those deposits, are one of the largest deposits. These are in Rajasthan. Now the role of Kabil. Now recently a new initiative has been taken by the government. ठीक, now this is Kabil initiative. What is Kabil? This is Khanij Videsh India Limited. Now India is not only focusing on the local ecosystem, we are also entering into other countries and we are taking their assets and we are exploring, we are mining in those countries as well, to make sure that we are mineral rich, to make sure the mineral security. India is now entering into the other countries to extract those minerals and to make sure that we have all those minerals for the manufacturing capabilities. Then mineral security partnership. Now India has recently joined this initiative, ठीक, and as per this initiative, the India has joined this multinational coalition led by US to secure global supply chains. Once you are the member of this initiative, you can secure the critical minerals and you will be the part of that global supply chain. So these are the initiatives, these are the steps which have been taken by India even prior to this Pax Silica. तो इसका मतलब क्या है, इंडिया भी क्या चाह रहा है, इंडिया wants to become mineral rich. तो हो सकता है like चाइना के पास दुनिया के मेजॉरिटी जो क्रिटिकल मिनरल्स हैं वो हैं, ठीक है, इंडिया के पास भी तो हैं बट उतना नहीं है क्वांटिटी, तो कोई बात नहीं, थ्रू काबिल व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, वी आर गोइंग टू एक्सट्रैक्ट दोज मिनरल्स आउट ऑफ इंडिया, ठीक है, एंड वी विल बी हैविंग इन द पोजेशन ऑफ दोज मिनरल्स. तो दीज मिनरल्स आर गोइंग टू हेल्प आर इकोनॉमी टू ग्रो, एंड ये जो हमारा स्टेप है, ये हमारा जो फ्यूचर टारगेट है टू बिकम थर्ड लार्जेस्ट इकोनॉमी ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, उसको फुलफिल करने में हेल्प करेगा. सो विद दिस वी आर वाइंडिंग टुडेज सेशन. बाय, टेक केयर.